Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can fix Pubg Battlegrounds lag and crashing, okay? Now I'm gonna show you different graphical settings that you can tweak. First of all, make sure that you have your latest drivers installed, whether it's NVIDIA or AMD, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that you have the latest drivers, okay? Now after that, we're gonna go to the gear icon here. I'm gonna go to settings, then graphics, and then advanced basically, right? Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the render scale to 100. Okay, this is gonna drastically improve your, your FPS. So just keep it to 100. All right. Now, in terms of the camera FOV, I'm just gonna keep it to the maximum, which is 103. This is very important and this is non-negotiable in my opinion. This is going to give you worse FPS, no wonder, but because this is a competitive game, you must set it to 103 to have the highest, field of view. Now let's talk about the different settings. Just set this to custom, and then the anti-aliasing, you can just keep it to medium, okay, in terms of the anti-aliasing. The textures, for example, if you have enough VRAM, you can keep it to high or medium. It doesn't matter. But if you're struggling with VRAM, just set them to low. Now, let's talk about the shadows. They should be set to very low or low. Post processing also should be set to low or very low. And the same with effects, foliage. High distance, you should keep it to high or to ultra. Okay, sharpen, just to keep it to enable. Okay, that's gonna be very important when trying to, view different enemies. Bisync should be totally disabled, and motion blur as well. It should be disabled because it's gonna be distracting. And the direct expression is gonna depend, guys. Some of you are gonna have better results using DirectX 12, and some of you are gonna prefer using X11 or X11 enhanced. Okay, so just try around these settings in here, guys. Okay, these are the settings that I'm gonna recommend for the best, multiplayer and competitive settings. All right. Some of them are gonna give you worse FPS, but you kind of need them in order to have to be competitive and to see the enemies well. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, when talking about the display settings, of course, just set it to actually full screen. Some users report having trouble with borderless and with window. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna disable the highlights auto capture. This is gonna take you, this is gonna remove some of this space from you. And now, what else? The resolution. If you can handle it, just have your native resolution. In my case, it's 1440. Okay, but if you cannot take it, just do something lower than that. And now the in-game FPS cap. I recommend that you keep it to either unlimited or custom. Okay, and just set a value that you're getting, consistently. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.